Hello everybody, this is BooleanCube and we're back with another tutorial in the JDA 4 series. This tutorial is going to be all about how to make a help command for your bot. Okay, well first things first, let's open up IntelliJ. There it is. And as you can see, we have only one command as of now, which is the ping command. And that should be the only thing that's gonna like appear in our help command for now. Okay, so we're gonna make a help command. This is a command, so it goes in a command package. We right click on commands, and go to new, and then Java class. Now name it help. It's a help command. There we have it. We have a help command, and now a command always implements command, which is a interface that we created right here, which is the outline of how a command class should be. We have to implement the methods. We have to implement the methods from the command interface. So Alt Enter, implement methods, and click OK, and all the code automatically hops into the class. Now this command is a help command. Help command. And the help for the help command is gives you a list of existing commands on tutorial. Okay, well maybe I changed it and I don't change the tutorial bot, so let's just do event. Oh wait, I'm not. Okay, never mind. We can't do that on tutorial bot. Unless we did, no, it doesn't work. Commands on tutorial bot. And slash enter new line. Hit enter, just organizes it a bit. Usage, and this, and constants. Dot prefix plus get command plus this. We can do this just in case. We can also do this just in case anyone was wondering. There we go. That's it. So what this does is, it gets the prefix and then the command, which is just help, and then it puts this at the end. So what is this? So this allows the command. So what we can do is we can do help and then ping. And then if we do this command, if we go to the ping class here, if we do this command in Discord, it's gonna print this. It's gonna print this. So that's how our help command works. And this is just to indicate that, oh, here, this is where the command name goes. Okay, and we don't need this comment here, so just delete that now. And here we are, this is the run. Okay, so well, first of all, we're gonna check if args is empty, because if it's empty, then we just print get help, right? So if args is empty, oh no, if args is empty, then we don't print this. If args is empty, then we print a list of the commands, a list of all commands. So And just to let you know, keep it clean, we're gonna use embed builders. So this is an embed builder. New embed builder. Oh, I can't type. Builder. There it is. Now we can do dot set title, and this is gonna be commands. No. And now this is gonna be a list of all my commands. Right, you can change this to be whatever you want. This doesn't really matter. Okay, so now that we've done that, we're gonna make a string builder. I name it description. Gets new string builder. Oh no. There's a better method. E.get description builder, which makes it easier for us. And now that we did that, now we're gonna get manager. Oh. And now that we did that, we're gonna make a public variable. We're gonna make a public final manager variable and just name it manager. I didn't import it for some reason. If we alt enter and click enter again, there it is. It should come. There it is. Okay. And we're gonna create a constructor. So public help, and in this help constructor, we're gonna initialize the manager, and we have an argument for this constructor, which is manager. Oh, just name it M. Not manager. Yep. And then this dot manager gets M. Oh my god, I can't spell. There we are. Okay, so this is necessary, that has to be done. Cool. Now that we got manager, now that we have manager and initialized it in the class, we can do manager dot get commands dot for each, and now we can use lambdas. I'm gonna use command like this. We can do this. Oh, I put an S there. It doesn't matter. It's just a name, but yeah. So now description dot append. Keep this and dot append. We're gonna append the prefix. No, we're not gonna append the prefix because this is just a help command. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna get command dot get command, and then append the end of the formatting, which is just another this thing. I don't know what this is called. I don't know what this is called. If you know what this is called, I think it's called a tilde. I don't know. Leave a comment and tell me what it is. Yeah. Oh. I forgot we have to do a new line, so /n. And I think that's it for this. Now what we're gonna do is event dot get channel dot send message q, and the message is gonna be e.build. Right? So that's our basic help command. Now we have to make a help command for all the other methods. So like we have to make a help command for the help ping command. Say this is not finished yet. It just checks if it doesn't have any args and it's just this, then it prints a list. It sends a list of all the commands. And if you do this, it's gonna send the help of that command. So now we're gonna do else if, or we don't even need the else if, we already know. So we need is command, and then command, the manager dot get command string dot join args. Oh wait, I forgot the delimiter. There we are. Args. Is it really good? Yeah, it is. Okay. There we are. So that is that. Now we're gonna check if command equals null. And why do we check if command equals null? Because if command is null, then no such command given in the args exists. Right? So if we did // help I don't know, work. Right? If we did !help work, then command's gonna be null because work is not a command that exists on the bot yet. But if we did ping, it's not gonna be null. It's just gonna be a command. Right? So now that we have checked if command equals null, we're gonna send a message saying, hey, that's not a message, that's not an actual command on the bot. Use this to figure out a list of the commands, right? So we're gonna say the command the command string dot join args. I put a space there. Command args does not exist. Slashing for the new line. Use constants dot, oh, that's not the right one. Constants dot prefix command dot get command plus this for a list of all my commands dot q. There we go. That's that. And oh, I forgot to do return after this. Make sure you have this or else it's gonna break. And make sure you have return after this as well. Okay, so now we have checked if everything is, we've checked if it's null, we've checked if command is null, and now if it's not null, what we're gonna do, we're just gonna send it. Get channel dot send message dot q. Oh, what happened? Dot q command. Oh no, we're gonna do command help for and command dot get command. And then after that, we're gonna slash n. Enter, and we're gonna just command dot get help. Oh. Okay. Now that, and that's actually pretty much it for the help command. We do not need this if this happened to by accident. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Now we're just gonna add it into our manager, and we're just gonna add command new help, and we're gonna import it, obviously, alt enter. And as you can see, there's an error here because one argument was expected, because you remember we need a manager as an argument for this. So we're just gonna do this, and it works. And yep, that's it. Now if we run this bot right here and wait for it to finish, tutorial bot is online. Let's go into Discord and check it now. Discord, here we are, and on the test channel, we see tutorial bot is online. And now if we go and type in the help command, we see a list of the help command, a list of all commands is just help and ping. Right, now let's try help. See, command help for help, this. Now let's try help ping, and help for ping gives you the gateway ping of the bot. Alright, cool. So we made the help command. Okay, so yeah, that's basically it for the help command. And that's all we're going to be going over today. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing and drop a like on the video if you liked it. Bye-bye.